calculate how many days we have until a particular date is pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. Now for us to calculate the number of days that is between a particular starting date and then the end date, it can be any day that you want. It's pretty simple. To get started, make sure you have your starting date and the end date and then the number of days that you want to have. In your start date, we're going to enter equal to today, then bracket open, bracket close, then tap on enter. So this will give you today's date, and the end date, it can be any day. So in this case, I'm going to type something like November 1st 2024. Having these two dates, the end date and then the start date, I'm going to calculate the number of days that we will be having between two dates. And to do it, all you have to do is to click on equal to, then select the cell that you want to calculate the number. In this case, I'm going to select this one, then I'm going to click on minus, then I'm going to select the other cell again, then continue to click on enter. So this will give you the number of days that you have between today's date, which is September 12, 2024, and the end date, which is November 1st, 2024. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.